Sorry I'm not there today. I just want to go over the work that I've set you to do. So I'm looking at questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. All of the work is here. You've got the sheets anyway, but all of the work is here. So questions 1, you should be fine with now. It's just about getting on with it. Question 2, write each of the following ratios in the simplest form. Here's some advice for you. So some tips. Each value in the ratio should be expressed in the same units. So what you need to make sure that you do is, for example, if you have 50 seconds to 1.5 minutes, convert both of them to the same unit of measure. So I know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So 1.5 minutes is 90 seconds. So you've got 50 seconds to 90 seconds, then you simplify that down to 5 to 9. The second tip, it's important that you understand units of measure, such as there are 1,000 grams into 1 kilogram, 1,000 kilograms into 1 ton, etc. And the final tip is always convert the largest unit of measure into the smallest unit of measure. So, for example, if you've got 800 meters to 2.4 kilometers, we know that a meter is smaller than a kilometer, so you need to convert the 2.4 kilometers to meters, multiplying it by 1,000. That then becomes 800 meters to 2,400 meters, and you can simplify that to 1 to 3. So work through all of those questions, please. And then once you finish that, we're going to do write each of the following ratios in the simplest form. That's question 3. This is the stuff that we were getting, and that was quite tricky in the previous lesson. So here is, there we go. This is the advice on how you actually work it out. So you follow that example. You see how you get 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 equals the 5 over the 2. Well, I've done an easier example for you. So write the ratio 2 3/5 to 6 in the simplest form. So you have the 2 multiplied by the 5 in brackets, plus the 3 just there, over 5 to 6. Then you just work that out. 10 plus 3 over 5 to 6, and then that's 13 over 5 to 6. To remove the fraction, you multiply all numbers by the denominator. So this is the denominator, the one that's underneath the bottom of the fraction. So multiply 13 over 5 by 5, you get 13. Multiply 87 over 5 by 5, you get 87. And you also have to multiply the 6 by 5 as well. So that simplifies to 13 to 30. So have a go at those. If you finish that, I want you to have a go at question 4. This is actually a little bit easier than the previous question. So again, here you've got the worked example on your worksheet. Multiply all sides by 10. Keep multiplying by 10 until you get whole numbers. You must have whole numbers. So write the following ratio in the simplest form. If you've got 4.86 to 2.4, multiply that by 10 is 48.6 to 24. That's not a whole number, so we need to keep going. Multiply it again, both sides. So that's 486 to 240, and then you start simplifying it. So divide that by 2. You get 243 to 120. Simplify it by 3, you get 81 to 40, and you can't simplify that any further. That's your answer. So work through question 4 and question 5. I'll be surprised if you get to question 6 today. If you do, you are wonderful, wonderful students. I will see you tomorrow.